Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this sunflower leaf. Please use green color. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. We will start with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see, we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small, but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern, we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn, and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. This was our basic round, foundation round. Now for the second round, see, we will use back thread. See, this back thread of every single stitch. Okay, so we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and both stitches we are going to make in only using back thread of every single stitch. So for second round, pattern is 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and just by using back thread of every single stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. It is in that I have given very slow demonstration, and quite easily I have explained it, of course with written notes. So please do refer that video, and it's quite easy to understand. See, I have completed my second round also. Now as usual, we will close this round, complete this round by joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. See, following exactly same pattern, we have to make 2 green circles. Make sunflower leaves. What we will do, those 2 circles which we have made in green color, we will fold it in from middle. Okay, and we will put markers in by 2 end of the fold. Okay, now in first 2 stitches we will make 1 single crochet in 1 stitch and 1 single crochet in 1 stitch. Okay, now after that we will make 2 chain crochet. Okay, and like 1, 2, and now in 4 continuous stitches we are going to make 2 double crochet in each single stitch for 4 continuous stitches. I'll just complete this and show you. Once we are done with the 4 stitches, in which each stitch we have made 2 double crochet stitches, after that we will make in 12 stitches forward till we reach that marker. Okay, we have to leave that stitch of the marker. Okay, till there, in every single stitch what we are going to do, we will make 1/2 double crochet stitch. See this, 1/2 double crochet stitch. Then we will make 2 chain crochet stitches. Okay, then we will make slip stitch in first stitch. Finish. Now like this thing only we are going to do in all the stitches till we reach the marker. 1/2 double crochet stitch, then make 2 chain crochet stitches, slip stitch in the first stitch, Again the same in next stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, we have reached till the marker. Now in the stitch where we have placed that marker, in that one stitch itself, what we are going to do, we are going to make one double crochet stitch in one stitch only. One double crochet stitch, one chain crochet stitch, then one triple crochet stitch. Then we make two chain, see, one double crochet stitch, one chain crochet stitch, then a triple crochet stitch. After triple crochet stitch, two chain crochet stitches. We will make a slip stitch in the first stitch, again a chain crochet stitch, and again a double crochet stitch in one single stitch itself. Okay, now in second half of the leaf we are also going to do same pattern what we have done in the first half of the leaf, only in reverse manner. Now in first 12 stitches we will make one half double crochet stitch and two chain crochet stitch, make a slip stitch in first stitch. So for starting 12 stitches we are going to do this. And then next 4 stitches we are going to make two double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Then once we are done with this, we will make two chain crochet stitches, join it with the last stitch with the slip stitch. See these two chain crochet stitches, join it with the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now our rest two stitches are remaining. So in that, one single crochet stitch in one stitch and one single crochet stitch in one stitch. That's it, finish. Okay, now we will make a straight line from one end to the top of the leaf. Okay, and how we are going to make this, we will make a chain of 5 chain crochet stitches, 4 to 5 chain crochet stitches, and join it with the stitches with the slip stitch which are coming in a straight line till the top. See, we will join it with this stitch. Then we will choose next stitch which is coming directly on the top of it in a straight line. So like we have to make a straight line from bottom to top of the leaf. Okay, and process is same. Make 5 chain crochet stitches, join it with this stitches which are coming in a straight line till top. Okay, so I'll just complete this and I'll show you. So here we are reached the top. Okay, now we will just make a chain crochet stitch and cut a yarn. So our leaf is ready. Okay, this is the sunflower leaf with those points and spikes, sorry. See, those pointed are coming. Those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, thank you, thanks a lot. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, as I'm coming up with lots and lots of videos. Many new ideas are there, many new designs you'll get. So if you like the video, please like, comment and share, and please subscribe Sanjs Aasha.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.